Let's make some delicious lemongrass chicken wings, crispy on the outside, moist and tasty in the middle. Let's start by making the delicious lemongrass marinade sauce. In a bowl, you're going to combine your lemon juice, oil, lemongrass, and I grow my own lemongrass, and I'm telling you, fresh lemongrass tastes the best in your recipes. Add the soy sauce, brown sugar, and fish sauce, and then mix it all together. Set it aside, and then we're going to actually make cuts in our chicken wings. This will help straighten them up, and when you put it in the air fryer to cook them, it actually cooks a lot more evenly. Rub the marinade sauce all over the chicken wings and refrigerate for at least 24 hours. If you are using an air fryer, set the temperature at 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 minutes and remember to flip them halfway. You can also oven bake these wings, but I like using the air fryer because it comes out nice and crispy. If you love lemongrass as much as I do, be sure to check out my video on how to grow lemongrass from cuttings. You can have an endless supply of lemongrass all year round. They grow indoors, outdoors. You can chop it up and freeze it and use it whenever you want. You'll always have fresh lemongrass for your recipes. Please remember to give this video a like and subscribe if you have not already. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.